Hello everyone. So for today I just wanted to do a quick Etsy share. This hopefully will be coming out on Friday. But this is a quick Amazon share. I got myself some needle nose pliers. I like these because of this part. So we'll see. And I got myself some metal rulers. Well needed, of course, with current projects and everything. It's just makes life easier. So I'm gonna put them away. And then I also found this nice little kit on Amazon and I thought it was cool. There are 45 pieces of assorted binder rings for different journals. I just thought this would be a good buy for me personally to make some journals, golden book journals some more. I like making golden book journals up with 3-hole ring. So we got that going. And then I have some Etsy shares of my own and of other people's. So this is from Irresistible Prints. It's a bee kit that I thought, oh, just looked so gorgeous. I couldn't help myself. And the cute little journal cards. Some more journal cards. Some more ephemera. The first part I did print on cardstock. These I chose not to print on cardstock due to them being more cutouts for ephemera, or pieces of ephemera to cut out, so fussy cuts. So here are the pages. Got a misprint here. Again, I just thought this was rather fun. I haven't taken the white off them or anything, so I normally don't take off the white. So yeah, this is the bee kit from Irresistible Prints. I thought, again, it was just utterly gorgeous and had to show it off. I got a couple other things from digitals from Irresistible Prints, but haven't printed them out yet. So as I print stuff off, I'll show you. All right. And then I have a journal that is now in my Etsy. So the description, I'll hopefully leave links for all the sites in the description box. But this is my vintage bird journal. And we've been working on bits and pieces of it together throughout the last couple weeks, months. If you remember this fold out. Inside and out, being able to write on lots and lots of writing space. I tried to make sure I gave lots and lots of writing space for this journal. That was my biggest goal out of this, was to give lots and lots of writing space. And these pages that are coffee dyed are textured too, some of them. It's just gorgeousness, I personally think. Yeah, I left some of the white pages blank, but that's a dealing that I normally do. Then I left some little pieces of ephemera to have the person, whoever buys it. I like to add or leave a little bit of ephemera to, so if they want to add things to it, or they put a picture on it and they want a bird next to it or something, they can. And I put some pieces of ephemera on here so they can take it out and add it to a page that's blank, or I try to keep it so whomever gets it, again, can make it their own. The middle, again, I just try to keep it fun. One of these pieces we made together, and it slips right into here. And then I have some neutral-ish blues and tans and coffee-dyed tabs going. And here's one of our postage sheets here, full of scrap paper. And this opens up and has some pieces within it too. Another piece there. Our fold down, just make sure you can see that. Our fold down postage here. And here's another pocket to slip something in. Again, I didn't try to keep every single pocket. I didn't try to fill, just because I know that some people like to do their own, and I try to allow that to happen. Here's our little flip, so it flips open here and here, and then this way. And there's little writing spaces in between on each page. Except this one. This one I just had fun collaging. And then I left this sort of blank, but I will be writing my info at the bottom of this. So, there we go. All right, our next one is give me one moment here. Yeah. All right. This is FrenchLemonStudio, and this is Rainy Day Frogs. So I did this one in cardstock, so then it's nice heavyweight, just because I thought it was needed for this one. And then this gorgeousness. This reminded me a lot of antique papery, but a little bit different. And I thought, okay, this would be a great show for this, or for you to have something similar, but a little different. So some pages and some background papers, or collage papers are what I normally call them. And that's Rainy Day Frogs. Again, from FrenchLemonStudio. Then I bought Winter Garden from FrenchLemonStudio. And reason why I bought this Christmas one was because I realized I have hardly any Christmas digitals. And that was part of the reason why I didn't make Christmas journal this past year, was because I didn't really have much for Christmas. So I just thought she was, again, just gorgeous papers here. Now this next one I did use bits and pieces already, and so it's kind of cut out, but it's her tinted image pack. So I again, have already cut pieces out of this pack. Not even thinking, oh my goodness. So, about showing it to you. So, again, just lots of bits and pieces that I did not cut out so far. I'm almost done cutting them all out. So, yeah. Just my luck. Wasn't thinking about sharing it, and I just started cutting. And then I added my nice 8x8 canvas. It took me a long time to figure out how I was going to do this canvas, and so I have this nice little mixed media canvas sitting in my Etsy shop for 20 bucks. I figured with shipping and handling the way it is, for free shipping and handling, it just makes it easier to keep it a straight number. But it says, I can't promise to fix all your problems, but I can promise you won't have to face them alone. I thought this would be wonderful for someone as a birthday gift or a engagement gift even, or an anniversary gift. Just, I thought it was cute, so figured I'd show you all of that. So we had a lot of different pieces here, but I hope you enjoyed this little share, craft haul, whatever you may call it. It's kind of a mix of my shares with digital shares and Amazon shares. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day or night. Bye.